Guys, it's been a wild 2 days. Let me catch up to speed.
I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
Okay, so let me explain kind of what happened quickly. So I went and bought a new drone on Wednesday. I bought a Mavic 2 Zoom from DJI because I love DJI products. Basically what happened, which sucks, is I was flying it yesterday, which was Thursday, the day after I bought it, and I was flying it over top of our hunt camp and it disconnected randomly. I had full GPS. I don't see it as my fault because it literally just disconnected and glitched, and I have all the footage and I'm going to show that right now, and also footage of us recovering it this morning. I went in with snowshoes. I went and bought snowshoes so I could get in the bush and go find it. So that all being said, guys, I want you guys to stop and do a huge favor right now for me. Show some support for the channel so that I can go out and maybe get another drone at some point. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Hit the thumbs up button because that really helps my videos get pushed, as well as head over to our Instagram at KWC2000. Now, enough with the negativity stuff. Let's get into some equipment, and let's get into showing you guys this drone footage of it actually getting lost, as well as the recovery this morning, which did not go as planned. But still smiling. It's Friday, the sun's shining. Enjoy the video, guys. What's going on, everybody? So right now, currently walking back in the bush because yesterday I decided to take my new drone for a little trip and I lost it about 2 kilometers in the bush. It just disconnected. It lost connection and it was gone. So we're here this morning. I'm filming on my iPhone. Had to go get snowshoes, and I got Dad with me, and we're trying to find it, and hopefully we do. Look at all that sign. That's where they bed down overnight. This is all whitetail deer in here. All right, so I think we're at the actual pond on where it is. It just dropped over here. I'll pop up a map. How I actually was able to track it was DJI. You can go back in your flight map and see kind of exactly where the last time that it lost signal was. So I was able to go back and do that and kind of find a location and get the proper footwear to wear. So we're gonna head up here and let's hope I find it, and then let's hope that it works, or else that was a waste of almost $2,000. I really wish I could tell myself at this point, if I could go back in time, you're not gonna find it, buddy. Well, basically what Al's doing here now is we're kind of just worried about how everything's going to melt up at the end of the season. So he's taking some of these piles down and kind of just making more room and moving stuff around so that when it does melt, it doesn't make a big mess. yeah, now I'm here. I'm on a different camera because I have the time lapse right now going up on the loader. You guys may have already seen that, or you're about to see that. So Al actually has the backhoe started as well. I'm gonna get in it and move some stuff around. That seems good. Yeah, I'm not really too the best on, I guess, this camera. It has a mic system and everything on it, but yeah, I'm basically really quick. I wanted to thank everybody. Maybe if you don't follow us on Instagram, I would advise you to do that. Just because I did announce on there when we hit 5,000, and there's a lot of behind the scenes stuff that you don't really get to see. Now, I want to take a second to thank every single person, kind of just reiterate what I said on Facebook. I just want to take a second to quickly thank every single person who subscribed, every single person who supports me and supports the channel. We're doing this as a team, meaning me and you guys and the viewers, and I truly appreciate everyone's support that's going on with this. This is something that I never really thought that I would hit 5,000, but you know, to people who don't even support me and they dislike my videos, I thank you too, because without everybody as a whole collective, I wouldn't be able to do what I do. So to people who don't like the videos or really like them, you know, I appreciate it very much. You're literally making my dreams come true. So it's truly a huge deal for me. That's really the only thing that's kind of keeping me positive right now throughout this whole... I don't know what to say about the quality of this bop, 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 while you're trying to watch the video. It's like this tap, 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 tap. I'm sorry about that, guys. Just not perfect. It's just not my week, okay? Give me a break. Me losing the $2,000 drone the day after I bought it. Oh, man. Yeah, that happened. It sucks, but I'm trying to stay super positive about it. It's Friday, the sun's shining. It is warming up today. I think it's going to go to -8, which unfortunately is warm for us right now. So yeah, I mean, there's that's a positive on it. So trying to stay positive, trying to stay happy, and yeah, just keep coming out with awesome content for you guys. Alright, well that pretty much sums up the day. We ended up moving the rest of the snow here. It all stayed on location. We didn't haul anything or anything like that. But if you did watch to the end of the video, as always guys, I want to thank you, because that's a huge deal for me whenever people watch the full videos. So if you did, let me know down in the comments below that you did watch to the end of the video. Cause I think that'll be pretty cool to kind of just see, you know, the real supporters, the real followers, the real subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. And make sure, because I got that backhoe video coming out Sunday, the review video, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed. Instagram at KWC2000. big thumbs up. And other than that, I'm signing off. Have an awesome weekend, guys. You made it to Friday. Enjoy it. Have a beer for me. Enjoy. If you don't drink, have a water. In my case, that's what I'll do. Thanks, guys. Have an awesome freaking weekend. This is just a little side note after the video's done to see if you're real silly watching, but if anybody's got any pimple remedies, let me know, because apparently pimples don't stop even when you're 23.